Hello everyone, and welcome. Have you ever spent hours running a composite simulation in Abaqus, only to realize that choosing the wrong element type completely ruined the accuracy of your results? I'd like to introduce you to Composite Element Mastery in Abaqus, from shell to solid. In this package, we eliminate the guesswork. Through a comprehensive handbook, a step-by-step video tutorial, and ready-to-use CAE files, we'll show you exactly when and how to deploy shell, continuum shell, or solid elements. It's time to build a robust foundation for your simulations and present your designs with absolute engineering confidence. I'm a PhD student in mechanical engineering, specializing in solid mechanics, conducting research on the application of artificial intelligence algorithms in mechanical engineering. I have over 18 years of experience working in various industries, and more than 15 years of teaching Abaqus software in collaboration with different institutions and universities. In addition to introductory and advanced Abaqus courses, I've taught specialized workshops on the design and analysis of composite structures in Abaqus, vibration analysis, and subroutine programming. Let's say we want to analyze this composite structure under loading. Look at this stress contour. Many engineers would accept this result, but because of the wrong element choice, this output is completely misleading and incorrect. Now, check this out. By understanding ply-level mechanics and using the correct solid element settings, we achieve this highly accurate, realistic, and industry-standard response. From next-gen aerospace to high-performance automotive design, composites are driving the future of engineering. But unlocking the true potential of these super materials demands absolute precision in your simulations. The anisotropic nature of composites makes their analysis far more complex and computationally expensive than homogeneous materials. That's why absolute precision in your simulation is a necessity. A basic shell element completely misses critical through thickness stresses. The difference between that and a solid element is the difference between a risky guess and absolute precision. Element selection decides everything. In our comprehensive handbook, you'll master the fundamentals. We explore the latest industrial applications and basic stress analysis concepts, leading up to an in-depth breakdown of every element type, their pros, cons, and exact use cases. But theory isn't enough. This package includes a full step-by-step video tutorial where we solve a practical engineering problem right inside Abaqus. The best part? We analyze the exact same structure using all three elements: shell, continuum shell, and solid. This way, you'll master the software settings, meshing strategies, and compare the real-world results side by side. Ready to take your simulation skills to the next level? Visit the Engineering Downloads website shown on the screen right now. Just search for Composite Element Mastery in Abaqus to get this complete package at a great price. Don't miss out, get your copy today. Good luck!